For cement plant operators, the analysis of kiln inlet gas data can play a fundamental role in optimising safety and product quality, reducing downtime and operating costs, and limiting harmful emissions.
Fuller is recognised as a market leader in the development of gas analysis equipment, and its proven KilnLoq system has been designed and built to provide optimum reliability and performance in high-temperature, high-dust operating environments.
It is well documented that extractive gas analysis, using gases sampled from the kiln inlet, is the most accurate method of monitoring kiln processes.
Fuller's KilnLoq system, with its unique one-pipe probe, generates continuous gas analysis data that enables kiln operators to identify and deal with issues before they impact the production process.
Poor pyro control can create major safety risks. Using gas analysis data to maintain optimal oxygen levels not only removes the risk of explosion, it also prevents a build-up of toxic carbon monoxide. Gas analysis data helps operators to maintain optimum concentrations of oxygen, carbon monoxide, nitrogen monoxide and sulphur dioxide in the kiln, enabling remedial action to be taken to maintain clinker quality and prevent the need for downtime. It also gives operators precise control over oxygen levels so that fuel can be burned slowly and efficiently for lower production costs or faster for a higher throughput and greater capacity. Based on gas analysis data, operators are able to regulate the oxygen and carbon monoxide produced in the kiln, optimising combustion and avoiding the need for expensive emission reduction equipment to remove pollutants at a later stage. Traditionally, clinker is quality tested in the lab 2 hours after the firing process is completed. Gas analysis instantly identifies kiln conditions such as nitrogen monoxide levels and enables the operator to make online adjustments to improve product quality, reduce handling time and avoid issues such as overburning. Volatiles such as sulfuric acid, condensing on raw materials being fed into the kiln, often build up and cause blockages. They can also pass through the kiln lining and corrode the steel structure. The KilnLoq system detects these volatiles so that they can be removed before they create the need for shutdowns. While the KilnLoq system provides comprehensive monitoring and data collection, simplicity and ease of operation and maintenance are hallmarks of its design. It can be retrofitted to most existing kilns and incorporates 4 standard modules: the probe cooling panel, air tank, gas conditioning system with HMI, and the patented one-pipe KilnLoq probe mounted in the extraction device. The EXD can be installed on the platform or suspended from above, depending on available space. The one-pipe probe is water-cooled and provides trouble-free operation in the highly corrosive, dust-filled kiln environment. It samples gas in a straight line with no bends, obstacles or deposits to interfere with the sample collection. The process gas enters the filter housing through the centre of the pipe, where it passes through a built-in filter for collection and analysis. By opening the access port at the end of the KilnLoq, operators can undertake a real-time visual inspection of the probe and kiln processes. The probe is cleaned automatically using jets of compressed air to blast dust and residue out of the sample path in one go. And its one-pipe design, with no kinks or bends, ensures that the probe and filter stay clean for longer. However, despite some manufacturers' claims, all gas analysis systems will get blocked at some stage or another. The difference with the KilnLoq probe is the easy access to the probe tip for manual cleaning. And it takes just 1 to 3 minutes for a full clean from the back end of the probe, compared to 30 to 120 minutes for conventional systems. Worker safety is central in the development of the KilnLoq system, including unique features such as an integrated shutter to prevent hot dust and gases entering the extraction device while the probe is retracted. A colour touchscreen control panel gives the operator access to a range of functions, including alarms, event lists and trend curves, as well as a one-glance summary of the unit's status. Communication to the control room is available as a hardwire or serial connection supported by a fibre optic link. Overall, the KilnLoq system provides operators with precise control over the production process and significant improvements in performance and profitability. It is also an extremely cost-effective investment, which, depending on kiln size and design, has a payback of less than 200 days.
KilnLoq from Fuller, your one source for cement kiln inlet gas analysis.